click on to rename this
Change.
computer or change its domain or work group. Click on change.
Change.
Then where I go to computer one. What is the domain name? evisions.com.
evision.com.
Already I enter. Then click on OK and then enter the
Restart.
password. Enter the password of domain administrator.
abcd@123.
abcd@1234 is password. Username is administrator. Then click on OK. Then restart pop-up is coming. तो मैंने
Okay.
restart later कर दिया
जी,
अभी.
okay sir. Okay.
So normally I just restart now one time
Okay.
manually. Then it is present on the same.
Sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any question up to now? किसी का कोई question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
तो देखो ये डोमेन में प्रेजेंट है तो इसीलिए अदर यूजर इज विजिबल. अच्छा अदर यूजर हु कैन लॉग ऑन. So that's why I'm creating a new user on domain server. How to create a user on domain server? First I log on through evisions domain, which is abcd@1234. All are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then how to create
Yes,
user?
sir.
Double click on tools, then click on Active Directory users and computers, fifth option, and then where I go to double click on domain, double click on user, right click on new, then click on user. What user I created? I want to create it ram.das. To enter ram space then das, r capital d capital, must enter first name first letter and last name first letter is capital. User logon name all are small. ram.das. Okay, ram.das. Then where I go click on next. What is the password I enter? I am entering march@123. march@123. All are clear? User must change
Yes.
password at next logon. Check on password never expired. Then click on next. Then click on finish. Where I created ram.das account on where?
Domain
Domain.
control.
evision.
User.
ये evision का user है. But where I log on client sites. Where I go other user. What is the username? ram.das.
ram.das.
That is the difference between workgroup and domain. Password is march.
march@123.
If you have a user account on domain,
march@123.
any computer on the domain without needing an account on that particular computer. Because I am not physically created user account on computer one. I am created user account on our domain server. And then where we access this account, we are accessing this account on the client sites. And that's why company are using that domain network for managing a huge number of users. And that is your responsibility. You are going to a Active Directory administrator or system administrator, system engineer, IT administrator, IT executive, depends on interview, depends on designation. Clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो बताओ.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
वो यूजर आप दोबारा क्रिएट करेंगे एक बार.
क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या?
वही सब वो लास्ट वाला स्टेप थोड़ा मतलब आपने जल्दी जल्दी क्लिक करा जी बिगनिंग थोड़ा
First I go to server,
यस
then where I go? First I go to server manager. First you read the steps, then I continue. Server manager, dashboard, tools, Active Directory users and computer, fifth option. Then double click on domain, double click on user, right click on new, then user, then enter the all details of the user, then create user. Now clear? Now I perform. So I already go to server manager, then go to tools, 5.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Active Directory users and computers. Double click on domain, double click on user, right click on new, then click on user. Clear?
यूजर
Any-
एंटर ऑल डिटेल ठीक है सर यस सर
Click on user. Suppose I want to create a new user. Krishna.das. क्या रहा ऐसे ही चेन है? Das Krishna.das. Password is abc@123. abc@123. User must change password at next logon. Password never expired. Next finish. Which user I created? Krishna.das. Where I log on? I log out from Ram.das and log on through Krishna.das now. That is the second user. Where I created user account, domain server. Where I access on the client sites. Clear for everyone? Domain. इसको समझ में नहीं आ बताओ. Will not understood. That's very simple, practical. Clear? तुम जो भी
Yes, sir.
user बना वो visible हो जाएगा.
Sir, one question I'm having.
Tell me.
Sir, suppose I'm saying, suppose tomorrow I have to change again the name of the client machine. Okay. So in that case, administrator have to physically visit onto the client system and log in with his password and change the name, correct? Or directly from the this domain server he can change it.
Domain server से change कैसे करो? How to change from domain
No,
to Windows?
No, I don't know.
Physical
I'm
Windows.
just asking.
Physically log on through administrator, then you can change the hostname of computer, hostname of Windows 10. If you
Okay, so
change the Windows server, you physically log on to Windows server administrator, then you physically change.
Okay. So in that case, administrator have to physically visit onto the client machine, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
And if you created
Hello?
if you created centralized administrator, suppose you are created one user on domain server and then you giving the administrator permission, domain admin permission and administrator's permission, then that client, that user who present on this Active Directory, that Active Directory user treated as administrator, he or she controlling every client's computer easily.
Okay. So,
But
sir,
when you
okay.
log on through workgroup computer, on the time domain administrator is not responsible. On the time local administrator is responsible because
Yes.
say peer-to-peer network. Peer-to-peer network means workgroup.
Yes.
Domain means centralized network. Centralized network means who is present, which belongs to domain user, that only controlling the domain computers. And that's why we are activating the built-in administrator, because built-in administrator managing the workgroup user also and domain user also. That's why we are always log on through built-in administrator and then you join workgroup to domain, domain to workgroup, whatever you want. Whatever you want. Now tell me if I have any question.
Sir, can you create one user in this domain server and provide it that administrator access as well, like you said just now?
Just like I already created user account on my
Yes, sir.
domain krishna.das and user ram.das. If
Yes.
you change to krishna.das treated as a administrator, go to krishna.das, then go to member of, then you click on add permission, click on add, click on advance, then click on find now. You must enter administrator group, and also you can enter the domain admin groups also. Then that user treated as a domain admin also. That is the domain admin. Click on OK. Click on OK. So that krishna.das belongs to admin evisions.com built-in domain admin evisions.com user and domain user evisions.com user. That
Administrator.
krishna.das controlling server also, domain administrator also, domain user also. Then click on OK. If you change the if you changing now the system name from krishna.das, is it possible to log on? Yeah, it is possible. Now let's see, check again. What is the password? abc@123. Now that krishna.das treated as a administrator
Administrator.
because you are already giving the permission. Which permission you give? Administrator permission. Now let's see, check it's correct or not. Go to run and type sysdm.cpl. If I change the computer name, click on OK. That is also done. Click on change. If you change the computer name, suppose you want to change desktop one, you also change it because krishna.das is a
Administrator.
then click on OK. इसका परमिशन चाहिए यहाँ पे डोमेन का. This is already a domain admin. That's why not enter any password.
Yeah, it's a domain administrator.
You can perform anything, but if you managing any folder or files, you will physically go to that computer and then you can control easily.
Hello.
If you created user account on, if you creating folder on Windows 10, if you not share with everyone, that is not reflected by any user. If you share this folder, then reflected, otherwise not.
Yes. Okay.
Sir, I have a question regarding that.
Tell me.
Sir, like I am the admin of the computer or server. So, sir, I can access any computer, any user computer through the admin account.
Any computer. Because your IDs were created. Your ID created on our domain server. That is krishna.das. And whatever the clients are belongs to that domain, then you can easily log on. But you cannot control the workgroup administrator. Workgroup administrator is different because workgroup administrator not present on domain. Workgroup administrator present on workgroup computer. Workgroup present on workgroup network. Domain present on domain network. That's why we are activating built-in administrator by default because we're maintaining the workgroup also domain.
Okay, sir.
That administrator and user concept you must require very high knowledge. Then you can control any server, any user, any computer in a particular network. And if you think, sir, I am totally confusing on administrator and user, you totally got zero. Totally got zero. Because your main responsibility is administrator. If you don't know what is administrator, what is user, how to control, how to providing the security. तुम लोगों को काम ही है वो मैनेज करना. Now clear or having some question, please tell me.
No, sir, everything is clear now. Don't have any confusion right now.
प्रैक्टिस करो, घर में प्रैक्टिस करो, देखो एकदम क्लियर हो जाएगा. एकदम इजी है टॉपिक, ऐसा कोई
Yes, sir.
मतलब नहीं है. बार बार बोला प्रैक्टिस करो, देखो एकदम क्लियर हो जाओगे. किसी का
Yes, sir,
कोई
it needs a lot of
डाउट?
practice.
Lot of practice is required. ऐसा नहीं हम एक बार प्रैक्टिस करके छोड़ देंगे तो चल जाएगा,
Yes, sir.
पॉसिबल ही नहीं है। ठीक है, प्रैक्टिस करो और फिर मेरे को बताओ कि तुम समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं। Now tell me who not clear, please raise your hand. Who totally
Yes,
got zero? लोग कोई डाउट है और कोई किसी का तो बताओ।
No, sir.
No, sir.
no, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No, sir, not
No
now.
doubt, sir.
No, sir. No doubt.
कल लेकिन प्रैक्टिकल करना पड़ेगा भाई सब। If you promise me, then I started a new topic on day after.
Okay.
और मे भी कल क्लास हो सकता है because I taking week off on Saturday and Friday, so maybe tomorrow have the class.
Okay, sir. No issues.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
And I describe multiple topics.
Yes, sir.
Domain FTP remote printer in one day because every batches are running that topic. So that's it.
ये तो चला था ना।
If you have any question, you will ask me on previous topic. किसी का previous topic में कोई doubt है तो share कर सकते हो. If anyone not able to install or downloading the Windows 10 or Windows Server, please share your screen and tell me your doubts.
Sir, I just want to take the screenshot of the previous sessions.
Why you are not taking any?
Sir, I have taken the screenshot for today completely, but previously I have taken many screenshots. So I just want to be a precise screenshot. I want a precise screenshot, sir, for the previous classes.
Previous class mean work group, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the work group theory. First we will take up to how work group works. Then I showed you the advantage and disadvantage.
Okay, sir.
Take in single image.
सर एक बार सर्वर का लिंक भी आप भेज दें एक बार।
Done,
फिर
sir.
से
जी
Done, sir.
सर प्रीवियस सेशन में आपने जो बताया था फोल्डर ट्रांसफर के लिए, वो सर थोड़ा सा
Done, sir.
फोल्डर ट्रांसफर, हाँ तो वो ये इसमें दिखाएंगे, केवल एफटीपी में दिखाएंगे। शेयर ऑन एफटीपी।
FTP।
हाँ
Done,
I
sir.
shared you OTP. Now you also take the work group screenshot.
सर एक क्वेश्चन है सर मेरा.
हाँ बोलो.
सर रियल टाइम में जैसे हम सर अपना जीमेल सर्वर में अकाउंट क्रिएट करते हैं और फिर बेसिकली हम उनकी सर्विसेज को यूज करते हैं, तो हमारा अकाउंट मतलब जैसे हमने अभी ये डोमेन सर्वर सेटअप किया है, मतलब वैसे ही स्टोर होता है क्या एक्टिव डायरेक्टरी में जाके कहीं?
वर्क ग्रुप तो देखो, वर्क ग्रुप का जो नॉलेज है और डोमेन का जो नॉलेज है वो टोटली ऑपोजिट है.
नहीं सर, मैं डोमेन के बारे में ही पूछ रहा हूँ.
डोमेन में जो भी डेटाबेस होगा, जो भी यूजर अकाउंट होगा, दैट इज स्टोर्ड ऑन एक्टिव डायरेक्टरी. And where you access, you are accessing on client sites. Client
Yes,
side
sir.
mean Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 Pro, anywhere.
No, sir, that is right, sir. What I'm saying is, like here at present, from in our domain server, we are creating the user account, correct? Correct. And using that user account, we are able to log in from our client machine. Now I'm saying, like we used to, like when we used to use the Gmail services. So at that time also the backend setup is completely like this Windows Server 2012.
It is depends on Google. I don't know what Google do. Google also using the Windows Server, then obviously Windows Server is there.
No, I'm
It's
saying there
totally
also Active
different.
Directory concept is coming into picture.
Yeah. Logical. No, this is the work group. This is the work group picture. This is the work group practical. Which I shared you, this is the work group practical.
No, not this one, sir. Before that,
This one, right?
yeah, which we did today, which we did today morning. That is the this domain infrastructure, correct?
Yeah. This is the
So I'm
advantages of domain infrastructure.
tell me.
Advantages of domain infrastructure.
Who will ask me the question, please? Tell me. कौन ask कर रहा था question थोड़ा बताओ.
Sir, I'm asking that in the real time, like if I take the example of Gmail server, so there also they are using the domain infrastructure, correct?
Yeah, obviously.
So, but in that case, we are creating user account from our machine. But here, what you have shown is that on the domain server, you are creating the user account. So, in this case also, if I create a user account on a client machine,
You are not physically managing the Google ADDS database, right? So that's why when you created user account, that user account were created on account.google.com, that were
Yes.
present physically where it's stored. You sending one request to create a new user account because you want to access Google. So when your request present on the server, that server administrator created user account on that server, then it is possible to create the. On the time it's taking sometimes, we will take the authentication, you will also put the OTP. It's taking for identification. Why? Because you send the request. Okay, I want to access the domain resources of the Google, which you will access drive.google, photos.google, that all. If you have user account, then you can. तो इसका भी बैकग्राउंड में तो प्रोसेस तो होता है ना.
Yes.
I give you just real life example. You are going to Google infrastructure, Google infrastructure, that is not same ki you are present on your home and you are manually managing the Active Directory database on the Google California. ये possible नहीं है. I give you just infrastructure level example. जैसे तुम लोगों को समझने के लिए अच्छा हो, मतलब I give you the example.
Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you,
I
sir.
I describe you the infrastructure. जैसे domain, your user ID where present, your user ID physically
Domain.
located on Google server. That's why we will accessing multiple resources over the single username and password combination. So that is the concept. If you understood properly the domain, then you can understood the infrastructure how it works. That's why I give this infrastructure that Google logical infrastructure. But physically, I draw another example. Is it follow? This is the actual infrastructure of the domain. This one, this one, this one, this one as the physical infrastructure, and this one is the logical infrastructure. That also I mentioned yesterday also. This is logical, this is physical. Physically, how it is connected? All clients are connected through same network, and that clients and that server also present on the same, and then it is possible to access everywhere, everything.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you scroll down?
Which one?
Domain infrastructure.
Why you not take the theory screenshot yesterday?
I took, sir, little bit. I didn't took
Little bit I took.
advantages. This and all I took. Yeah.
You can enter from Active Directory. Active
Okay.
Directory to difference. Active Directory, advantage of the domain, disadvantage of the domain, and difference between workgroup and domain. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Yeah.
सर एक बार ऊपर वाला भी दे दीजिए.
तो क्या मतलब मैं जब शेयर करता हूँ तुम लोग नहीं लेते हो क्या स्क्रीनशॉट?
सर वो टुकड़े टुकड़े में लिया था इसलिए, पर कंसाइज हो जाएगा.
तो बोलना चाहिए ना. Domain and domain controller.
डन सर.
Any question?
सर सर्वर वाला लिंक आप शेयर कर दें एक बार.
कल सबका प्रैक्टिकल होना चाहिए भाई. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Tomorrow maybe I describe from my side, and then day after tomorrow, Monday.
टुमारो इज अ हॉलीडे सर.
No, tomorrow I taking the class because I take off on Holy Festival. That's I take leave on Friday or Saturday. Friday and Saturday, 18 and 19. So that's why I take class tomorrow.
व्हाट टाइमिंग सर?
Timing shared by admin team. Okay, not an issue. So thank you everyone. Maybe all are getting the link.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay, thank you everyone.
थैंक यू सर.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सर.
Thank you sir.
Thank you, sir.
ये लिंक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कॉम क्या है?
Okay, thank you.